Welcome back, guys. It is still Christmas in July, and yes, I have my cute little onesie on. Who is ready to clean today? Who is ready to organize and declutter? Let's do this. I also have a cute little tree just to get us in the cleaning mood. And yes, look, wait. Okay, is that some, yeah, look at that. It's model moves. Oh my goodness, wow. You go, girl. All right, enough with that. Let's go clean. Today I am participating in the Closet Clean Out Challenge hosted by Abby over at Abby's Nest. Yes, this is my linen closet that I haven't touched in a couple of years because we just don't use it. It's a catch-all. I don't even look through here. I kind of throw pillows in there and yeah, everything else. And yes, that's a cow. The first thing I'm going to do is take out everything. And once I started taking stuff out, I wasn't sure how it all fit in there to begin with. But there was a lot. There were things in there I didn't use. There were sheets in there from beds we didn't even have anymore. There were like an Easter basket. There was a lot, people. A lot. Like I said, I don't even touch this linen closet. I do have a cleaning closet. If you missed that video on me cleaning it and organizing it, I will leave it linked in the description box and in the cards. But in here, it's called a linen closet, but might as well call it a catch-all closet. Now, the cow painting was painted by a friend of my husband's. It is so beautiful. When we first moved into the home, I was going with that farmhouse theme. I haven't done that in probably a year and a half. My look is more like a restoration hardware, pottery barn, kind of that rustic look, but not farmhouse look. So I will be giving this to someone who will appreciate it. I didn't want to just throw it away or just donate it because I did find someone who actually has a farm with cows, and they are going to absolutely love this painting. So once I got to the bottom of the linen closet, I paused and reflected, and then I did what every person does when they don't want to do what they have to do. I take my phone out and I get on Pinterest. And while I was on Pinterest, I kind of looked up, linen closet, small linen closet organization, just to give me some inspiration because I was getting a little bummed. And I found some that look so beautiful, but beauty doesn't mean anything if it's not functional. So after scrolling a while and contemplating why I even started this, and looking around, could I really make mine look like Pinterest? We'll see. We'll see. Cry like a baby each time. So I thought, why not clean the shelves? Maybe it will give me some little inspiration. So I grabbed some microfiber cloths and some spray out of my cleaning closet, thinking that, this spray is going to just rejuvenate me and all the smells are going to make me want to clean even more. And yeah, that's everything in the hallway as I was walking back to the cleaning closet. So I went ahead and wiped down all the shelves, thinking, okay, I'm going to inspire myself to get this cleaned out. This beautiful scent is just going to make me feel so alive and just give me motivation to get this job done. But this Lysol stinks. It's mango and hibiscus and it smells nothing like it. It smells like chemicals. So that didn't really help. But the shelves are clean. So after a good vacuum, I kind of sat in my mess, thinking, okay, this hallway isn't big enough for all this. And once again, I contemplated life and the meaning of it, and I moved everything into the living room. So Merry Christmas to you. Let's have a So I quickly got to putting things in piles, what I wanted to keep, what I wanted to donate, and what needed to be trashed.
Give Santa Claus a hand.
Once again, not sure why I have an Easter basket, but I do.
For my Merry Christmas crush. Tonight I wanna celebrate. Tonight I wanna dream away. See the shimmer in the eyes of every happy Christmas child. A Merry, Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. A Merry.
Then I found toilet brushes. Okay. The reason I had the look on my face is because I don't buy toilet brushes. I have no idea why there are toilet brushes here, because if you saw my clean with me where I was cleaning out my cleaning closet, I told you I detest those in my bathroom. I don't like looking at them. I use the Clorox toilet ones, so not sure why they're here, so that's why I had the disgusting look on my face. And I was trying to find the size on this fitted sheet. I could not find it for the life of me, so I decided I'll let the thrift store decide what it is, so I threw it in the bag for a donation. Earlier in the day, Mr. C took Bruiser to go get groomed, and as I was cleaning...
Who is that? Who is that? Come here. Come on. Come on, baby. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You got a haircut. You got a haircut. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, baby. You look so pretty. You smell good. Go get you something to eat. Go, baby. Go get you something to eat.
And that really made my day, just seeing him come in there all groomed with his little bandana on. I think that was the highlight of this whole closet clean out. The pillows I have sitting beside of me, I like those pillows. I use them during the holidays. They're not feather filled, but I only use them around the holidays, so I decided to keep them. Some were from Hearth and Hand and Home, Hearth and whatever it is that, Joanna sells there at Target. For some of those, and the others were my outdoor pillows, which I really do like. And here's what I'm left with, about a bag and a half of trash. I have 3 bags that I'm donating. I've got my teddy bear over there. Not sure why that was in the linen closet, but it was. A little luggage bag, like a heating pad, back brace, things for my back massager. I found some tools. I also found a few things that we're going to be using in our bathroom, and some travel bags that you just kind of put your stuff in there and squeeze the air out so you can fit more in your luggage. And my moo cow, yes, I'm going to be giving that either to one of my nieces or another family member. At one time I did decorate the kind of farmhouse style, and my husband's friend actually painted this for us, so I don't want to donate it or get rid of it. I want to give it to someone who will love it as much as I did, but I just don't decorate that style anymore. I still love it, but it just doesn't fit my decor. And then I have some pillows. I'm going to keep these pillows on top. They're not the best because they are polyfill, and I do like the feather a lot better, but they're cute just to put on my bed when I decorate at Christmas. And then I have my little fall pillows down here. These were really nice. I purchased these from Wayfair. They're not feather pillows. They are the poly, but the material on the outside is fantastic because it is weatherproof. Those usually go on my front porch at fall, but yep, that's what I'm down to. So let's get to trying to organize this little bitty linen closet.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so wrapped up by his presence.
And here is how everything turned out. I put my holiday pillows, seasonal pillows, whatever you want to call them, on the very top shelf. I have the ones I put out for fall on the front porch, and I have some that I use at Christmas. And here I have all of my towels. I've mentioned this in the previous video, but I have the white towels and Mr. C has the gray towels. That's just how I like it. In this bin, I have all of our sheets, and I also have these bath mat towels. So instead of just keeping a bath mat on the floor in the bathroom, which I don't like, I think they just get so filthy, I have these bath mat towels. This is by, I believe it is Utopia Towels. Let's see. Yes, Utopia Towels. I will link them in the description box, but these are perfect whenever you take your shower. Just put them on the floor, and then I hang them over the shower, and we get a couple uses out of them before I throw them in the wash. But I love these. This is so much better than keeping a bath mat on your floor. Just get the bath mat towels. They are sensational. Over here I have all of my candle stash. This is just a few. I have some in my office, and I have a few, I think, in the living room, but I like to keep majority of them together, so I thought I would put up here in the linen closet. In this bin I have my back massager along with some heating pads. Over here I have some spray. I love this spray because it is great to use in the bathroom because it is natural, and you can also use it as a poo-pourri. You can also spray this in your toilet before you poop, and absolutely love that. And it's very natural, essential oils. Then I have some Miss Meyer's room freshener. This is in, I believe this is geranium, but this is my favorite. This is the lavender. Even if you don't like lavender, I think you will love this. It's my absolute favorite. Over here, I just have some extra toiletries in the bottom here. As you can see, I have extra toothbrushes, toothpaste. I have some Q-tips along with some soap and extra deodorant. And on top, I just have a little bit of first aid. I also have some flushable wipes in there. And then I have stuff like Biofreeze and also the Penetrex. Really, really great if you're suffering with some muscle aches. That really does help. Over here, I just have things that I use to take care of my mother with. My mother's in her 80s. She lives with me. She has some special needs, so I keep all of her stuff in there whenever I have to do something for her. So I really do love how this turned out. It's very functional. There's really no bells and whistles to it. It's just a linen closet. I know me, though, I'll probably tweak things here and there, but overall I think it looks really good. I do think it might look good with some wallpaper in the back of it, or even just painted white, because it's a creamy color, and I think the white would really look really, really nice. And I may even do something with the pillows and move them out of here just to make it look less cluttered. Of course, it couldn't be any more cluttered than it was to start with, but this is how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process. Don't forget to check out Abby's channel along with the playlist for this closet clean out, and I will see you at my next video. Bye, loves.
You're making it brighter right through the gray.